set on the banks of Lake Oliver in the premier waterfront community of Rock Island Subdivision. Welcome to 408 River Oak Way. This immaculate home is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, almost 4,000 square feet on over an acre with your own private dock and boathouse. The main level is over 2,300 square feet to include an office, a half bath, a gourmet kitchen, dining room, large living room, 2 spare bedrooms, and the master suite. The master suite includes a private balcony access overlooking the beautiful serenity of this location on the water. This daylight basement is fully finished and fully equipped. It's like a whole nother house downstairs. This space is ideal for entertaining and could make an amazing in-law suite. Living on Lake Oliver means year-round fun and recreation on the water. Rock Island is just seconds from highway access and all the conveniences of in-town living, yet it feels like you are miles away. This is 408 River Oak Way in Phenix City, Alabama. You've got to check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.